This platform pays you money every single day just by listening to music on this platform. If you are looking for ways to make money online in Nigeria, you can try out this particular website. Let me show you how much I have actually earned. If you look here, you will see that my balance here is 4,880 naira. This is the money I have actually earned from this particular website, right? This one right here is the amount of money which I deposited to start making money from this website. That is 21,600 naira. I'm going to show you exactly how to create an account on this platform, how to set up your bank account for withdrawal, how to set up your withdrawal password, and also how you can actually make money on this platform. Before I show you how to create an account on this particular platform, I want to show you some other people that are actually cashing out from this particular website. As you can see, this is Xfmusic working group on WhatsApp, right? If I keep scrolling, you will see screenshots of people's earnings right here, right? If I continue scrolling, you will see people's earnings, right? See all of them right here. So this is to show you that this platform is actually paying, right? Now let me show you exactly how to create an account on this platform. To register an account on Xfmusic Nigeria, click the first link in the video description and it is going to take you to this page. Once you come to this page, the first thing you need to do is to enter your phone number, then set your login password, enter your login password again here, then under this verification code, enter this verification code right here. You are going to enter it right here, right? So once you have filled in your information, you go ahead and click register now. Once you click register now, your account will be created instantly. So once your account has been created, the first thing I recommend you do is to set up your bank account details for withdrawal and also set up your withdrawal password, right? So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. So I have just logged into my account. Now once you have created your account, like I said before, set up your withdrawal password and your bank account details for withdrawal. So for you to do that, click this place that says my, right? My. Once you click on my, it is going to take you to this page right here. So once you come to this page, click this XM logo at the top left. This XM logo at the top left. Once you click it, you are going to see full name, bank account, login password, withdrawal password, right? So the first thing you're going to do here is to click on full name. Once you click on full name, you enter your full name exactly as it is in your bank account, right? Then you come to bank account, click on bank account, you enter your exact name that is in your bank account, and you're going to also put in your actual bank account number, right? Then after that, you come to withdrawal password. Once you come to withdrawal password, this is the password you are going to be using to withdraw money from your account, right? Whenever you want to place a withdrawal, they are going to ask you for withdrawal password. So you are going to set up a 4-digit password right here. So once you have done everything successfully, you save it, right? Now, before I show you how to deposit money in your account, you need to first know the actual position you want to go for, right? So I'm going to click on position right now. This is the position. Once I click the position, you are going to see the different positions you can actually sign up for, right? This first one is internship, but this can only last for 3 days, right? And that is if it is still available. So once you register, this is the first place you are going to be, but you are not going to earn any money from here. So for you to make money, you can go for this second one, junior positions or junior positions 3, right? This is G2 and this is G3. Then if I scroll down, you will see other positions like S1 right here, right? This is S1 and this is S2, right? So you can choose any of these plans. Now for this junior position 2, that is G2, for you to activate this position, you are going to deposit 21,600 naira, right? And on this plan, you will have 3 tasks every single day, and each of the tasks is going to earn you 240 naira, right? So at the end of the 3 tasks for each day, you are going to make 720 naira every single day on this particular plan, right? So once you come to this one right here, the junior positions, which is G3, for you to sign up for this one, you are going to pay 77,400 naira, and you have access to 6 tasks daily, and each of these tasks will earn you 430 naira, right? Then if you calculate 430 naira times 6, 430 naira times 6, you are going to earn 2,580 naira, 2,580 naira per day if you go for this particular plan, right? So if you scroll down again, you see other ones. This is senior position, that is S1. Then for you to apply for this position, you are going to pay 220,000 naira, and you are going to have access to 10 tasks per day, and each of these tasks is going to earn you 730 naira per task, right? So if you calculate 730 naira times 10, it will give you 7,300 naira, right? So if you go for this plan right here, you are going to be earning 7,300 naira every single day. Now that you have seen the different positions you can actually go for, let me now show you exactly how to deposit money in your account. From the home page, you are going to see recharge. As you can see here, click on the recharge. Once you click on the recharge, it is going to take you to this page right here. So once you come to this page, scroll down, you are going to see 4 recharge hub. This one here, 4 recharge hub, right? Once you come here, click on 4 recharge hub. Once you click on it, enter the amount of money you want to deposit, right? For instance, if you want to go for the first position, you are going to enter 21,600 naira right here, right? If you are going for the second position, that is 77,400 naira or so, you enter it here, right? 77,400 naira. Then if it is 77,400, if it is the third position, which is 220,000 naira, you enter it right here, right? But let me just enter 21,600 naira, right? You can start from this plan. Once you make money, you can now upgrade to a higher plan. I hope you are getting my point right now. So this is the least plan. So let's just work with this 21,600 naira. Then you click on bank right here. Once you click on bank, you click recharge, right? Recharge now. Once you click recharge now, okay, sorry. Yes. So once you click recharge now, it is going to take you to the payments page. So this is the payments page right here. This is the bank name you are going to transfer the money, right? This is the account number, and this is the account name, right? So go to your bank app, make a transfer to this account, right? Remember, this is the amount you are paying, 21,600 naira right here. So once you have finished making the transfer successfully, you come back here and click I have paid, right? I have paid. Once you click I have paid, it is going to take you back to your Xfmusic Nigeria dashboard. Once it takes you back to your dashboard, you are going to see the money you deposited. It is going to reflect here, right? It is going to reflect here. Now, once the money comes here, you can now go ahead and sign up for a contract, right? So let me show you how to activate the position. For you to activate any position, go to position. This is position here. Once you click on position, right? So like I said, we are using this G2 as an example, which is 21,600. You are going to come here. If you look here, you will see that my own has changed to start task here because I have already activated this plan. So what you are going to see is join now, like this, join now, right? That is what you are going to see, right? So click on the join now button. Once you click on the join now button,
so we'll now go to this place where we have go to sign. So we'll click on go to sign. Then this is the employment agreement. So you just scroll down and read it. So after you're done with reading it, you get to the end. If you agree with everything, you've read it, then you now click on this place where you have I've read and I've carefully read and agreed to them. So you check this box here, then you click on this button that says sign now. So we click on sign now. So I'm just going to use this person's name to sign. So I'm just going to, you can sign your real signature. So if you have you can, if you got it wrong, just click on this button here to undo, or you click on this button here to erase. So either of them. So I'm just going to click on undo. So I want to type Monroe for this person. So this is what we want to use for user signature. So once we've signed, we click on this confirm button here. So we click on confirm. So if you click on confirm, you now see that signature you signed. You're going to see it here. So once you are done with signing, then the next thing you're going to do is to click on submit. So if you click on submit, then you see it says the contract was signed successfully. Now you still come back to that same place, where you have G2 position, and click on the join now button again. So click on that join now. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to spend 21 cedis. Just click on confirm. So if you click on confirm, then it says VIP recharge successful. Now once you've successfully upgraded, you're now going to see that this place where you used to see join now, you now see start task there. So once you see that, you know you've successfully upgraded. Now after doing that, if you go to your MY page, go back to your MY page, you now see that 21 600 that was here now have been moved to security deposit, and what you have here now is your registration bonus, the registration bonus that was given to you for registration. So that is what you have. That is all for registration.
Now that you have seen how to deposit money, how to activate a position, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to perform your task. All right. So if you look here, you see task right here. Click on task. Once you click on task, as you can see, this is a task hall. But if you look and you will see that I have completed my task for today. Task completed today. All right. I do 3 tasks every single day. So I have already completed my task. But this is how you can actually do this task. If you click on any of these, music, once you click on it, it is going to start playing. Once you click on it, it is going to open. Then you click the play button, right? It will start playing. You are going to listen to this music for just 60 seconds. Once it reaches 60 seconds, the review button is going to be highlighted. It is going to be active. Then you click the button which says submit for review. Once you click submit for review, you have finished that particular task. Then you click another one, right? You click another one. Once you have done the same thing, you click the next one, right? Once you have done the same thing, you will complete your task for the day according to your plan. I hope it is very, very explanatory, right? So that is it. And once you complete your task for the day, click on mine to see your earnings. As you can see, account overview, today's earnings 720 naira, yesterday's earnings 720 naira, total earnings, this is the total earnings 2,880 naira. Why you are seeing 4,880 naira is because when I deposited money in my account, they gave me extra 2,000 naira as bonus, right? They gave me 2,000 naira as bonus. So that is it. This particular website is paying massively right now. If you really want to make money online in Nigeria, you can go ahead and join this platform. I've showed you every step on how to go about this. If you want to register, click the first link in the video description and create your account. If you need more assistance on how to deposit money in your account and how to activate a position on this platform, you can contact me on WhatsApp, right? My WhatsApp number is in the video description. You can also join my Telegram channel. You will also see the link in the video description. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Go ahead and like this video. Click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload the videos, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube. Then, one more thing, share this video with your friends so that they can actually benefit from this amazing opportunity. See you in the inside.